Let's take a look at a key case in tort law for vicarious liability. This case is A.M. Mohamud versus W.M. Morrison Supermarket PLC, which was heard in 2016. The claimant in this case was Mr. Mohamud and the defendant was Morrisons. The claimant entered a supermarket petrol station and was rudely refused service by the tortfeasor, who was a Morrisons employee. The claimant was subjected to threatening and racist abuse and was followed to his car. The tortfeasor opened the passenger door to issue more threats and physically assault the claimant. Morrisons were found vicariously liable for the actions of their employee at the petrol station. This was due to the close connection test. In accordance with this test, the supermarket as the employers of the tortfeasor are vicariously liable. Responding to customers was an aspect of the tortfeasor's job role, and thus his abuse was closely connected. Following the claimant to the car was an unbroken sequence of events associated with his employment. His actions did not become unconnected as soon as he was outside. He was still working, following up on his interaction, and his threats related to the claimant's possible return to the defendant's premises. Being a criminal act also did not prevent the employers being vicariously liable. When deciding if a defendant is vicariously liable in an exam scenario for a tortfeasor's actions, you should apply the close connection test as was done here. This means that you should compare the tortfeasor's job role to the tort they committed. If the tort and the job role are connected, then this tells us that the employer will be liable. However, if there is no connection between the job role and the tort, this tells us that there will be no liability.